What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one R350L ML350 Mercedes, same car. So this car have a problem. Sometime car start or sometime not start. Okay, that's the main problem, and every ML350 R350L car have same issue. Okay, so if your car have same problem, today I will show you what you need to do actually. Okay, when I check with my diagnosis tool, this is a report. You can see here, no CAN message received from control module N73 electronics ignition switch EZS control module. No CAN message is received from the control module N80 steering column control module S3MRM. That's the main fault, C141. Okay, so this is a customer car, and the car also have a same problem. Sometimes car start or not start like this. So I replace, you can see here, electronics ignition switch EIS. That's the problem. This is old one in this car, so I replace already another one which is used car but in good condition. So then I program it, and now there is no problem, car will be fine, everything okay. So if your car have same problem, no need to do anything, only need to replace this electronics ignition switch. Okay, because every ML350 R350L car have a same problem. Okay, thank you.